Hi kids, happy morning. How are you all? Okay, today we are going to make a simple, creative and a beautiful greeting card. It's a umbrella greeting card. Okay, are you all ready to do this activity? Okay, first let me tell you the required materials. Color paper strips, glue, sketch pen, a chart. Apply glue at the ends of the strips. And stick another paper strip to it. Like this. Same way you have to stick all the paper strips together. I have already done a paste. I have already done it. Please have a look. Make accordion fold on the paper strips. Like this. Press it nicely. Fold it like this. The two ends should touch each other. Apply glue here. Stick it. Take the card. Apply glue on one side. Place it in the center. Press it. Apply glue on other side. And then press it. Press it nicely so that it will stick. Greeting card is ready. You can write whatever you want. You can write in the front side and the back side. I have written stay home and stay safe. And at the back side, thank you. So you can write whatever you want and you can give to your friends also. Thank you. Bye-bye.